Hi you guys, I'm going to be showing you my claw machine that I made, and I have a guest with me and my best friend.
Hi!
She's kind of crazy right now. She's never had a YouTube channel. Paris though. And here it is. Paris, tap the screen. Tap the screen. And this is it. And then, so, where are my quarters? Paris, get up. You're on my quarters.
Sorry.
Where's my quarters? Sorry.
Hold on.
Got it. What you doing? Sorry, she's just a living psycho right now. Okay. So if you put a penny in,
Can I into this one?
Yeah.
If you put a penny in, you will go like this, and then your penny.
it's right here. It just gets jammed in there. Sometimes it's right here.
The
And
penny.
It doesn't accept pennies. Tap the
It
screen.
doesn't.
Tap the screen. Tap the screen. And then if you put it in, it'll fall out. It's right here. Oh my gosh, my finger is not stretching it out. And it won't accept. But if you put a quarter in, it accepts the quarter. And then if you turn the lever around like this, just tap the screen. And take the thing off. And then if you turn it around, you pull it. Tap the screen. Something will fall, Paris, grab it. And then you push
And
it
you
back.
get this squishy
And then
that
you
she made, and this is open it.
And dominoes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just little cool things I put in there. Paris, tap the screen. And yeah. So, and then on the instructions right here, it says, instructions. Unstick lever from back. Pull out. If prize doesn't fall, shake the machine. Get prize. And then tap the screen. If you spend $1 or more, turn machine around, look to the bottom, and you'll get a prize. So I'm going to show you guys. My quarter's in there. I'm going to pretend that I already put the quarter in. So I'm just going to put a nickel in because the thing is there. So I'm just going to pretend. Okay, I spent $2 and I go to the back right here. Just tap the screen. And I get one of these and it has just like quarters and stuff in it so you can play for free. And yeah, that's how my machine works.
We do have two in now. And
Right
then,
now we have more, but they're just shoved in the back of them.
yeah. And in the next video, YouTube video, Bella's going to teach you I'm going to teach you on Bella's channel how to make this slime.
Yeah, and I'm going to show you the inside of it. Well, let me take all the prices out now. Okay, so this is the mechanics.
This is all Bella's squishies
Don't
that
show my squishies.
she made.
They're just homemade. They're just homemade squishies.
This
Tap
one's
tap. And so this is how. Okay, I need to scoot all these
all
away.
homemade a lot.
Except one of them.
Except, yeah,
And
except for one.
so
of
this
them.
is the mechanism right here. Sorry if you can't see me no more. It's really bad. So the way it works is, can I get a penny, please?
What's a penny?
I got it. Okay. So when you put a penny in, it's not big enough to shake it.
Is that big enough?
It's not
to
big
fit?
enough to fit through there, so it'll just fall through. But a quarter is perfect sizing, and it will not go through. So that's how the
Never.
coin thing works. And then right here I have this, so the penny won't go to this side or that side. And then up here, let me just bend this down a little. You'll see this part, which this part means you just have to undo the back of it, and that's where the prizes are held. And when you pull it out, the prize will fall. If it
This
does,
will fall right here. If it falls right there, then that's bad. You don't want it fall right here. You want it fall right there.
that's why we put this sliding thingy. So then, after that, you pull it, and if the prize isn't, you just shake it, and something will fall. And if you're lucky enough, you'll get a bunch of things. And yeah, that's the end of my.
And our next tutorial, I will
yeah,
show you how to make this.
You can also,
And
yeah.
Bella will teach you how to make that, but I am going to do it on her channel.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.